quick stop at the gas station, real quick. The whole squad over here, back to back. Damn, what is this, dog? Is that Toddy, dog?
What's up?
What's up? The homie's on foot. The homie has to fill up the 85 real quick at the 76 gas station. So this guy had to bring us to 76 gas station just so he could fill up the 85. Hey, shout out to Clean Culture one time. We skipped like literally like 1,000 cars going all the way to the back. Me, Tade, Joe, and Chris in the front. We all skipped everybody. Shout out to Clean Culture one time for getting us there. Yes, we are late. It's too bad. We still make it on time.
BMW, and he's trying to be a vlogger.
And here's one for your boy.
I appreciate it, my brother. Thank you.
Wait, so we gotta hear the shit ass exhaust you put on for $200. Come on, Mr. Bougie. Rev it up.
We don't rev around here. We follow the rules.
What are you talking about? I revved all day long.
Well, too bad. You wasted your gas. How are you, bro? Everything good? Shit.
Already clear, broad?
I know, right? Fucking Kyle.
Dreams fall short, no time, never knew. Never no rules, nigga, never no shoes. See no feud, intake, never stop. Got no tries on the goddamn block. Niggas think big, but you still a mob cop.
How's it going, guys? It's your boy, Drizzy Dre Day. We back once again. Guess where we are right now? We're at Clean Culture 2019. I'm here with the boys. We got Tade today, we got Joe, and most important of them all, we got Chris today. We got the 4 blue cars today. We're gonna set our boot right over there. And then, see, we're all getting there. We're gonna set our boot right over there. And yeah, guys, that's about it. I'm kidding, but that's not about it. So, we came here, fashionably late as usual. Shout out to the people in the front. Even shout out to the cops. They let us in. We skipped the whole line. There's at least 2,000, 3,000, 4,000 cars. Not even like capping. There's a lot of cars today. Alright, so we got my homie Artin's car, my car, Tade's car. He's protecting our boot. We set up our boot real quick. We got Joe's GTR, and we got Chris's Corvette all lined up, and look what we have here. We got this brand new merch, so tell them more about our merch.
We got hoodies, we got t-shirts, we got Save the Hair decals, we got posters, we got
most important of them all.
Most important right there.
What else, Tade? So why are we here today?
We are here at Clean Culture. We're gonna take home some awards.
Okay.
2-step.
Let's go.
And
That's about it.
that's about it.
Hey.
More bags.
This could be Tade, but he's not playing this time. Look at that stance though. Shit.
I'm like so late, I got extra clothes in the bag.
What were you doing yesterday?
Huh?
What were you doing yesterday?
Studying.
Studying, bro. Studying for
I got a Bible test tomorrow.
Ooh.
Right, Jesus?
And we got Tamir's car parked at the best spot possible on the corner. Hey, it's still dirty, like right here.
Huh?
Right here.
Don't touch it! Don't touch nothing! Ah!
Hey, give up already. Supercar Suspects, we have a special tattooing service brought to you by one and only. What do you think you're doing, buddy? Hey, come here.
I'm about to start fighting
Come here, they're looking for you.
I know. I'm here, officer. Come get me. I'm sorry. I'm white though.
And this is why you have this. See? One and only Tamir.
Read this, you'll be better.
Hi guys, so at the Giovanna booth, we got a bunch of supercars, a bunch of built wide body cars, so let me show you guys around. Right off the bat, we got an SVJ. Look at this SVJ, it's fire. This is fire, guys. And I got a Rari. This is lit. We got a Rari just chilling here. There's a fire ass lineup, guys. Rari, Porsche in the middle, other Raris, cap it up. This is fire, but Giovanna Booth always killing it with the latest cars. Some wide body cars, got the Fast and Furious cars. What? The Eclipse, Tyrese's car. This is fire, guys. This is fire. And we got two GTR R34s back to back, but in reality, that one's not a GTR. It's just a body kit. This is the real deal. There's small differences, guys. You can just tell it by the interior. But this is fire, guys. It's fire. I always love GTR R34s. And we got my favorite. Got a 335 wide body, and we got an M4, the PSM M4. This is fire. I always see this. This car is at every car show. M4, and we got a 335. We got a wide body R35 with a sick colored wrap, white and blue. Look at this, guys. Wide body on wide body. And we got the little homie. It was good. I got a Mustang, wide body, military, like a fighter jet looking car. It's pretty fire. This is Chris. Chris, you playing, bro. You sold it so fast. Got an Evo. We got this bad boy. Love the color combo on this. My favorite M2. Shout out to the M2 owners one time for going all out, doing some crazy stuff, wide bodying it. Back to back, guys, back to back. These are fire. I got the GTR finally parked at a very nice spot. We got a little RX-7, wide body, slam. Got an E30, bruh. We got a very nice E30. The Supreme E30. Everybody saw in Fairfax. This is the one, guys. Shout out to the eyepiece one time. Kyle, where you at, bro? Cleanest Supras, back to back. Got these slicks, guys. Back to back slicks. Wait, not one, not two, 3 Supras, back to back. This M4 wrap is pretty dope. These apps are pretty sick. That's good there though. That's pretty fire. This guy went all nuts. I'm gonna do something like this to my E36 M3. Once I do a little drift car action, you guys see it. Wide body it, lower it. It's gonna be a sick ass drift car. This color is pretty sick on the Evo. One of one color. You guys don't see this color that often. Wait a minute. And we got an M3 wide body. It's a E92. That shit's fire.
They're social animals. They can't live alone. But you can live pretty well by yourself. I tell you, instead of feeling alone in a group, it's better to have real solitude all by yourself.
Oh, don't do it.
Oh, fuck. There we go. Wow, it was really quiet that time.
Hey, you shouldn't have done it, bro. Ah, Kushner calls, man. What up, bro? Oh my God, he's down. He's down.
Down. Got back up.
You good, bro?
I'm good.
Sheesh.
I'm good.
This guy did a hell of a workout, bro.
I love it.
All the way around all the cars.
I love it.
6 o'clock, man. I was tired as hell. Had to fix the back of the car by myself, nigga. No one wanted to help me. I tried to hit you up. You didn't hit me back because you hate me and you blocked me on Instagram. And then I had to come here, hour and 30-minute drive, drove all the way up, went to the wrong entrance, broke my shit, cop pulled me over, tried to act like I was doing some shit, like for homework or for some church or some shit. Screwed the damn side skirt back in, came all the way back here, came over here, there was a line, went on the sidewalk, cut everybody's ass, pulled right here, and now I'm with you. Yeah.
And what are we finna do?
I gotta get something to drink, man.
There's the head turners back to back. And look at this. This shit's fire, bro. And you got some heavy this shit. Shout out to head turners one time. This is fire. With the Lambo doors. Head turners are killing it. It's fire. Look at this wrap, guys. The Purge. I love it. I love it. Over here. Tell them what's up, what's up, what's up. Good to see the Dre. Alright, my man. How's it going, guys? I appreciate you for the love. Hey. Appreciate it. Hey. Look at this crowd, guys. Everybody's here today. We got cars from Tamir over there. We got Kyle all the way in the front. We got a battle between like 10-15 cars. So let's see who's the fastest, who's the loudest. That's my boy right here.
Had to copy the other Honda, right?
Oh, come on, man. You had to, bro. Yeah, but this shit's way louder, bro. Tell him how you are. Tell him what's up. Is it here? Nope. Right here.
Chill out. Chill. I don't like the way it makes you feel.
That shit's fucking ridiculous.
I know, right? It's sold out, bro.
It's hitting like where you were, you would have fucking like, you would have dropped your
This is too much! No! No! Hey, the pressure's on, buddy. Hey, what's good, what's good, what's good, what's good, what's good, what's good, what's good? What? What? Ah. Hey, Tamir's too serious. And when Tamir gets serious, you fucking idiot. You can't
Sold for some petty money.
as we wait to
later.
A few moments later.
Hi guys, we're back in the trap house. Just parked my car. What a long day, guys. What a great, amazing turnout. I loved seeing all of you guys there. I appreciate all the fan love, all the support as usual. I loved seeing you guys at the booth. We signed posters, we signed phone cases, we signed a lot of t-shirts, hoodies. I appreciate everybody that came to the booth. I show love to me, Chris, Tarek, the rest of the SCS crew. I want to see you guys more, obviously, once my car is built. By the way, this upcoming week, my whole car is gonna get literally remodeled from bottom to top. You guys will see the next few videos, all the installation videos, all the carbon fiber goodies that I'll install on my car. You guys are gonna see it all. So, in the time being, all I want from you guys, click that subscribe button, give me a little thumbs up, comment your favorite car that you saw, or comment some suggestions on what kind of car content or whatever kind of content you're trying to see on my own channel. And in the meantime, we'll be back with a short break. We're back from a short break? What short break? Did you guys see this? New t-shirt design. White Chris's Corvette in the back. Plain and simple, guys. So, as I was saying, new merch dropping. New merch dropping? Whose merch? My merch, duh! So, making merch for my M3. A lot of stickers, decals, keychains, lanyards, and obviously the granddaddy of them all. T-shirts, hoodies. I'm doing some sick things with a couple companies. I'm working with them, so give me some time until I design them. And yeah, let me know how you guys like the vlog today. Trying to like switch it out. I'm trying to see what you guys like seeing. And yeah, this is my daily life of Drizzy Dre. Trying to keep you guys entertained. Alright guys, bless up, chase your dreams, stay motivated. Until I see you guys next time. Bye.